Question number 1. The French Revolution took place between. Correct answer is option B, 1789 to 1799. Question number 2. Who led the French Revolution? Correct answer is option B, M. Robespierre. Question number 3. What was the slogan of the French Revolution? Correct answer is option B, liberty, equality, fraternity. Question number 4. The Chinese Revolution occurred between. Correct answer is option B, in 1911 to in 1949. Question number 5. Who was considered the hero of the China Revolution? Correct answer is option C, Mao Zedong. Question number 6. The Chinese Communist Party CCP came to power in. Correct answer is option B, in 1949. Question number 7. The American Revolution began in. Correct answer is option B, 1775. Question number 8. Who led the American Revolution? Correct answer is option C, George Washington. Question number 9. The European Revolution occurred in. Correct answer is option A, 1848. Question number 10. The Iranian Revolution took place in. Correct answer is option B, in 1978. Question number 11. Who led the Iranian Revolution? Correct answer is option B, Ruhollah Khomeini. Question number 12. The Bolshevik Revolution started in which country? Correct answer is option C, Russia. Question number 13. The Bolshevik Revolution took place in. Correct answer is option B, in 1970. Question number 14. The Russian Revolution of 1970 began in. Correct answer is option C, Petrograd. Question number 15. Who was the leader of the Bolshevik Party? Correct answer is option C, Lenin. Question number 16. The Glorious Revolution started in England in. Correct answer is option A, 1688. Question number 17. The Industrial Revolution took place between. Correct answer is option B, 1760 to 1840. Question number 18. Where did the Industrial Revolution first take place? Correct answer is option C, England. Question number 19. The Italian Revolution took place in. Correct answer is option B, 1791. Question number 20. The Orange Revolution in Ukraine took place in. Correct answer is option B, 2004. Question number 21. The Blue Revolution relates to. Correct answer is option B, fish farming. Question number 22. The Young Turk Revolution took place in. Correct answer is option B, in 1908. Question number 23. The Taiping Rebellion occurred between. Correct answer is option A, 1851 to 1864. Question number 24. The Mexican Revolution took place from. Correct answer is option B, in 1910 to in 1920. Question number 25. The Boxer Rebellion in China occurred between. Correct answer is option B, 1899 to 1901. Question number 26. The Rose Revolution occurred in November 2003 in which country? Correct answer is option C, Georgia. Question number 27. The war fought by the US against Britain for independence is known as. Correct answer is option B, the American Revolution. Question number 28. The Agricultural Revolutionary War in China was fought between. Correct answer is option B, in 1927 to in 1937. Question number 29. The Velvet Revolution took place in. Correct answer is option C, Czechoslovakia. Question number 30. Who is considered the father of the Green Revolution? Correct answer is option A, Norman Borlaug. Question number 31. The Arab Spring, a series of political revolutions started in. Correct answer is option C, 2010. Question number 32. In which country did the Revolution 1848 first being that lead to series of revolution? Correct answer is option A, France. Question number 33. The Tulip Revolution occurred in which country? Correct answer is option A, Turkey. Question number 34. The Glorious Revolution resulted in the establishment of. Correct answer is option B, constitutional monarchy. Question number 35. The Industrial Revolution began in which sector? Correct answer is option B, textile. Question number 36. Which revolution is associated with the overthrow of Shah in Iran? Correct answer is option A, Islamic Revolution. Question number 37. The Russian Civil War followed which major revolution? Correct answer is option B, October Revolution. Question number 38. Which event is often referred to as the first modern revolution? Correct answer is option B, French Revolution. Question number 39. The Taiping Rebellion aimed to overthrow which dynasty in China? Correct answer is option B, Qing. Question number 40. The term Arab Spring primarily refers to uprising in. Correct answer is option C, Middle East and North Africa.